Hey everyone, so you're trying to figure out whether PayPal or Payoneer is the right payment platform for you in 2026. Look, I've been using both for years, and honestly, they're designed for completely different people. One of them might be perfect for you, while the other could cost you serious money in fees. So before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I break down payment platforms, banking tools, and money saving tips every week. Let's get into it. PayPal, it's the household name, 430 million users worldwide. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of payments. You can send money to friends, pay for your online shopping, receive payments for freelance work, and even get a business account. It's accepted almost everywhere online. Payoneer. This is the cross-border specialist. It's built specifically for freelancers, online sellers, and businesses that get paid internationally. If you're getting paid from Amazon, Upwork, Fiverr, or foreign clients, Payoneer gives you local bank accounts in the US, UK, EU, and more without actually living there. International payments and currency conversion. Here's where things get interesting. PayPal charges you 3% to 4% above the mid-market exchange rate when you receive international payments. So, if someone sends you $1,000 USD and you convert it to euros, you're losing $30 just on the conversion, and that's on top of their receiving fees. Payoneer is way more transparent here. They charge up to 2% above mid-market, which is still not great, but significantly better. Plus, with Payoneer, you can hold balances in multiple currencies and only convert when the rate works for you. Winner for international freelancers and sellers, Payoneer hands down. Fees structure. PayPal, receiving money from friends, family within the same country. Free. Receiving payments for goods, services. 2.9% plus fixed fee around $0.30, $0.50 depending on currency. International transactions. Add another, 1.5% on top. Withdrawing to your bank. Free in most countries, but can take 1 to 3 business days. Payoneer, receiving payments from marketplaces like Amazon, Upwork, free, they already have partnerships. Receiving from another Payoneer user, free. Receiving via international wire or their global payment service, 1 to 3%. Withdrawing to your local bank, $1.50 flat fee, which is amazing for large amounts. But here's the catch. Payoneer charges $29.95 per year for account inactivity if you don't use it for 12 months. Winner. Depends on your use case. If you're getting paid through platforms, Payoneer saves you a fortune. For domestic transactions, PayPal is simpler. Speed and accessibility. PayPal is instant for most transactions. Money shows up in your account immediately, and you can spend it right away with their debit card or transfer it out. Payoneer typically takes 2 hours to 2 business days for marketplace payments to appear. Withdrawals to your bank take 1 to 3 business days. It's not slow, but it's not instant either. Winner, PayPal for speed. Coverage and acceptance. PayPal works in 200 plus countries and is accepted on millions of websites. If you're shopping online or running a small business selling to local customers, PayPal is probably already integrated. Payoneer works in 190 countries but is mainly used for B2B payments and marketplace transactions. You won't use Payoneer to buy stuff on random websites, it's not designed for that. Winner, PayPal for general use, Payoneer for professional cross-border payments. Who they're actually built for. And this is the most important part. PayPal is best if you sell locally or within your country. Need to receive payments from clients who don't use platforms. Want a payment solution that also works for personal use. Do occasional freelance work. Payoneer is best if you work with international clients regularly. Sell on Amazon, eBay, or other global marketplaces. Get paid through Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or similar platforms. Need to receive large international payments without losing 4% on every transaction. Want to avoid the nightmare of international wire fees. Here's the bottom line. PayPal is versatile, fast, and works for almost everything, but it absolutely destroys you on international fees if you're a freelancer or online seller. Payoneer is laser-focused on one thing, getting you paid internationally with lower fees and better currency handling, but it's not a replacement for a general payment account. Honestly, if you're doing any serious international work, get both. Use Payoneer for receiving payments from platforms and foreign clients, then transfer to PayPal or your bank for local spending. That's what most pros do. If this helped you save money, smash that like button and subscribe for more payment platform breakdown. I've put referral links for both PayPal and Payoneer in the description. No extra cost to you, but it helps the channel. What payment platform are you using right now? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.